Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account and also how you can remove it then. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the users and accounts, then tap add account, select Google. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account, no other way. So here I just enter my email, tap next, then you have to enter your password, tap next, then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Okay, I will be using it, no children. Then you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. So if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to, disable it here and tap accept, and after that account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, just select it here, tap remove account, confirm it, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.